Friends, in this video for iThought Wealth, I'm going to talk to you on the topic why it's time for exchange-based IPOs. I remember attending a meeting sometime in 2015 where people were debating whether it's time to have IPOs through the stock exchanges. Clearly, you know the forces. There are different interest groups in an IPO. There are people who gain money because the process is having its own structure. When you disrupt the structure of an IPO, a lot of interested people would tend to lose. So, when you move IPOs from the current structure to a completely exchange-based structure, where an IPO opens at 9:15 on both the stock exchanges and ends at 3:30 on the first day or on the second day, then a lot of people are not going to be a part of the system. So, they are going to lose a lot of economic gains which they would otherwise get very easily. So, these forces have been at work continuously in delaying the eventuality of moving IPOs to the exchange platforms. I believe that the best thing that can happen to capital raising and to IPOs in India is this: make all IPOs based on the two stock exchanges which we have. We need not have the current structure at all. We have the digital infrastructure to conduct an IPO completely through the exchanges. Eliminate a few things which are very, very important. The first thing that needs to be eliminated is this grey market premium which tends to build in IPOs, distorting the price discovery process. The second thing which needs to be made more transparent, if not eliminated, is the very high levels of funded applications in the HNI category. The third thing that needs to be eliminated is the nepotism, which is so rampant in how investment bankers are giving allotment to QIB. Why should investment bankers have discretion in allotting shares to QIB? Why can't they give it to the highest bidder? So, this is another area where we need very urgent intervention, because this nepotism is not in the health of the overall capital market, and it will eventually come to hurt future IPOs itself, and it will hurt the capital market's ability to provide capital to entrepreneurs. So, there are many things that need to be corrected on a very, very urgent basis. Government has to take very decisive steps to bring this process to a better transparent structure where time is saved, transparency is increased, price discovery is more open and fair, and participation is not based on nepotism. So, I believe that doing the IPO through the two exchanges will completely transform the entire process of investment banking, merchant banking, participation by qualified institutional buyers, participation by HNIs, and transparency for the retail investor, which I believe is the most important thing in the charter of our Indian regulation. So, I believe the time has come for us to apply ourselves and bring this to reality. This will help every stakeholder who wants to create a better India, a better stock market, a better investment banking system, a better capital raising structure for enterprise. So, those who want something better should be the votaries, and they should be championing this cause. So, in that sense, the time has come and we should make it happen. If you like this video, do share it with your friends who have the ability to influence this decision, who are stakeholders by virtue of their participation in the IPO ecosystem in different ways, whether as an issuer, whether as a merchant banker, whether as a retail participant, as a lender, or as a qualified institutional buyer. Whatever may be the role, everybody needs to appreciate this issue and lend your valuable support. Do stay the course with us on this journey with iThought Wealth. Thank you very much.